AI skills you must know about to keep ahead. Before we get started, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Artificial intelligence, AI, has rapidly transformed from a futuristic concept into a fundamental part of our daily lives. From virtual assistants and recommendation systems to advanced machine learning models, AI is woven into the fabric of our technological landscape. As AI continues to advance, staying ahead in this field requires a solid understanding of key AI skills. In this video, we will explore the essential AI skills that can propel you forward in the dynamic and competitive world of artificial intelligence. Programming languages, the foundation of AI development. To navigate the AI landscape, proficiency in programming languages is paramount. Python stands out as the language of choice for many AI practitioners due to its simplicity, versatility, and extensive libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Understanding how to manipulate and analyze data using libraries such as NumPy and Pandas is crucial. Additionally, knowledge of languages like R, Java, and C can enhance your ability to work on diverse AI projects and integrate AI solutions into different environments. Machine learning fundamentals. Building intelligent systems. Machine learning is the backbone of AI, enabling systems to learn from data and make predictions or decisions. Understanding the basic concepts of supervised and unsupervised learning, as well as reinforcement learning, is essential. Dive into algorithms like linear regression, decision trees, and support vector machines. Familiarity with neural networks and deep learning architectures will be crucial for tackling complex problems in areas such as image recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous systems. Data science extracting insights from the abyss of data. AI thrives on data, and the ability to handle, pre-process, and extract valuable insights from vast datasets is a cornerstone skill. Proficiency in data wrangling tools like SQL for database management and manipulation is essential. Knowledge of data visualization tools such as Tableau or Matplotlib helps in communicating findings effectively. Understanding statistical concepts and techniques allows you to make informed decisions and design robust AI models. Natural language processing, NLP, bridging the gap between machines and human language. NLP is a specialized field within AI that focuses on enabling machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Skills in NLP are crucial for applications like chatbots, sentiment analysis, and language translation. Key concepts include tokenization, named entity recognition, and language modeling. Popular NLP libraries like NLTK and Spacey, along with pre-trained models like BERT and GPT, are invaluable tools for NLP practitioners. Computer vision teaching machines to see. Computer vision empowers machines to interpret and make decisions based on visual data. From facial recognition to object detection, computer vision is at the heart of numerous AI applications. Understanding image processing, feature extraction, and convolutional neural networks, CNNs, is vital. OpenCV, a powerful computer vision library, is a must-know tool for anyone working in this field. Reinforcement learning training machines to make decisions. Reinforcement learning is a paradigm within machine learning where agents learn to make decisions by interacting with an environment. Mastery of concepts like reward functions, exploration-exploitation trade-offs, and Markov decision processes is crucial. Implementing reinforcement learning algorithms using frameworks like OpenAI's GYM can provide hands-on experience in training intelligent agents. AI ethics, guiding the responsible development of AI. As AI becomes more prevalent, ethical considerations become increasingly important. Understanding the ethical implications of AI, including bias, transparency, and accountability, is crucial for responsible development. Familiarity with frameworks like fairness, accountability, and transparency in machine learning, FAT, ML, and guidelines like the ethical AI principles ensures that AI is developed and deployed in a manner that aligns with societal values. Big data technologies, managing the tsunami of information. The era of big data requires AI practitioners to be adept at handling massive datasets efficiently. Knowledge of distributed computing frameworks like Apache Hadoop and Spark is essential. Proficiency in cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud enables the seamless deployment and scaling of AI models. Understanding data storage solutions like HDFS and NoSQL databases is also crucial for managing the sheer volume of data generated in AI applications. AI development frameworks. Streamlining the development process. Familiarity with popular AI development frameworks accelerates the implementation of AI solutions. TensorFlow and PyTorch, among others, provide powerful tools for building and deploying machine learning models. Knowing how to optimize models for performance and deploy them in production environments is a valuable skill. Additionally, understanding containerization tools like Docker and orchestration platforms like Kubernetes streamlines the deployment process. Soft skills, collaboration and communication. AI projects often involve cross-functional teams, including data scientists, engineers, and domain experts. Effective communication and collaboration skills are indispensable for navigating the complexities of AI development. The ability to convey complex technical concepts to non-technical stakeholders and work seamlessly in interdisciplinary teams is a skill that sets apart successful AI practitioners. Continuous learning and adaptability. The AI landscape evolves rapidly, with new algorithms, frameworks, and technologies emerging regularly. Cultivating a mindset of continuous learning and adaptability is perhaps the most critical skill. Staying updated on the latest advancements in AI through online courses, conferences, and research papers ensures that your skills remain relevant in this dynamic field. Data preprocessing and feature engineering. Quality data is the lifeblood of AI. Knowing how to pre-process and engineer features is critical for developing robust machine learning models. Skills in handling missing data, scaling features, and transforming variables contribute to building models that generalize well to new, unseen data. In the ever-changing landscape of AI, acquiring a diverse set of skills is essential for staying ahead. From mastering machine learning fundamentals to keeping abreast of the latest ethical considerations, a comprehensive skill set will not only make you a sought-after professional, but also empower you to contribute meaningfully to the development and deployment of AI solutions. As the fourth industrial revolution unfolds, those equipped with a robust repertoire of AI skills will be at the forefront of innovation, shaping the future of technology and its impact on society. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thank you for watching.